LAN refers to a group of computers interconnected by multiple computers in a certain area, which can realize image data transmission and other functions. All consulting rooms installed with LAN need to install unified version of sensor software and activate the software. After the software is successfully activated, the account and password of the login software are admin. Next, we check the IP address of computers in each film reading room and make records. First, query the IP address of the computer in film reading room 1. Press the key Win+R on the keyboard to pop up a running window, enter CMD, and click OK. Enter IPCONFIG and press Enter. Find the IPv4 address 192.168.1.100 is the IP address of film reading room 1. Next, query the IP address of the computer in film reading room 2. Press the key Win+R on the keyboard to pop up a running window, enter CMD, and click OK. Enter IPCONFIG and press Enter. Find the IPv4 address 192.168.1.106 is the IP address of reading room 2. Go back to the exposure room and check whether the IP is on the same network segment as the film reading room 1 and 2. Only if the IP is on the same network segment can the LAN function be realized. The IP address of the exposure room is 192.168.1.208, indicating that the IP of the exposure room computer and the IP of the film reading room are on the same network segment. Next, configure the network nodes of each film reading room in the exposure room software. Enter the software interface. Select Setting in the menu bar and click Network Node. Setting the network node of film reading room 1 first. Select a network node and click Edit. Input name, Room 1. Calling AE title and called AE title can be defaulted. IP 192.168.1.100. Port 104. Check default and enable, checked when the background is blue. Click Save. Next, setting the network node of film reading room 2. Click New. Input name, Room 2. Calling AE title and called AE title can be defaulted. IP 192.168.1.106. Port 104. Check default and enable, checked when the background is blue. Click Save. So far, the network nodes of film reading room 1 and 2 have been added to the software of the exposure room. Click Test All. T indicates success, F indicates failure. Select New Patient in the menu bar. Enter patient information. Click Save. Select patient case, select tooth position, click the exposure button in the software. Click the exposure button on the acquisition page, and the software message bar displays the prompt of exposure. Press the exposure hand brake of the X-ray machine within 24 seconds to complete the exposure. Wait a while. In room 1 and room 2, you can see the image just taken in the exposure room. At this point, we have completed the installation of the LAN.